Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to unbox this OnePlus 8. Uh, this is a glacier green variant, and we have sanitized it so much that I think it can be used as a rocket fuel if it has absorbed the alcohol. So let's unbox it and see what is there and how it performs and all. So let's go. Okay, let's unbox it and see what is there in the box. Here we go. It's plastic. Okay, as you can see, it's an 6 GB variant with 128 GB storage. It costed me along about 42,000. Let's see, is the money worth? Okay, I've opened the box. So firstly, as we can see that we get a phone straight away packed in a plastic foil. So let's keep it aside and look what is there inside. Okay, here we get a case just for protection. Here we get a lightning red cable, and let's see what is more there. Here we get a charger which is uh, mm, which is 5 watt charger, so it will charge it pretty fast. According to the ad, it will charge about 70% in 30 minutes. So let's see. Get you get no instruction. Oh, I got nothing. Okay, so nothing more is there in the box. So let's keep them aside and try to boot our phone. Okay. Here we got something more. Here are the red cable fan club card. Not useful. Not useful. Okay, it has the all specification which is had, so not useful. Okay, we have some stickers. They are copying basically Apple. And quick start guide, safety information, invitation letter, all not needed. Keep them aside and let's. Okay, I've got a SIM ejector tool as well. So let's focus on our main phone. So let's remove it and see how it looks. So looks perfectly, what you can say, glamorous. So this phone has, as you can see, it has two audio rockers. Here a mic, what do you say, a notification one that it basically silents the notification, basic power button, USB-C type cable, speaker, sim, what you can say, sim where here you can place the sim and all. So as the first thing I can notice is that there is no headphone jack. But you can see in today's phone no headphone jack is present, so I think so it is a beautiful phone. Let's boot it up. Okay. Here comes the OnePlus famous sign. Okay, United States, yeah. agree, I'm in, skip, okay. Today is not March 31st, today is sorry, today is July. What is the date today? July 25th. So okay, sorry. Next, accept. Okay, for screen lock, I guess it is not necessary, so let's. What is this? Okay, it is an gesture which you can adjust. So what he wants me to do. So here it is. The screen has 90 hertz refresh rate, which is quite high. That's why it is looking so tremendous. I'm serious in love with the screen. It's just amazing. So that's it, guys. So I will make another video of review of it. I will use it for what to say 7 days and then review it. So thank you for coming to my channel, and please like, share, subscribe, as you know.